So I've finished cutting the frit slots and the fingerboard. They're all cut. Those things are down kind of flat. So it's ready to be cut out. So I'm going to cut it out now, and then next step after that will be to radius the fingerboard. And then stick it on the neck and put some reference pins in it so it stays in place. So I'm going to give it one go on the laser just to make sure I got everything lined up right. So I'm going to just cut once. So here we go. Hopefully I got this lined up right. It's just one cut. We'll find out here in a bit. That cut is a little bit inside that line I got there. That might be off a bit. We'll see when it gets back. Well, turn on this fan. Got the pump on there full. We'll see now once this is done. Open up that window, get some draft come through there. Yeah, I'm a little bit